if you want to sort a list of email addresses first by domain name and then by the first name, the first thing we need to do is split the domain name out. Now there are many ways to do it. You could split on the @ sign, but a very quick way is to use flash fill. So here's the list adjacent to it, so right next door. Over here I'm going to type that. Okay, just make sure it's the same. And it's as simple as data flash fill. And you'll see Excel has gone and extracted the domain name from each one. So now that you've got these two, to sort them as simple as highlighting them all, go to data, sort, and I'm going to say sort first by domain name, A to Z, that's fine. Add a level, then by email address. When I say OK, so now we've got the domain name sorted with the attached email addresses.